you want to enjoy a tasty cocktail, but don't want to completely derail your health goals, doing this one thing might allow you to do so. Hi, I'm Harry of RealNutritionMD. Regaining your health and managing disease doesn't always require medical intervention. The human body actually does most of the healing. We just need to put it in a position to do that. So what I like to do here is focus on realistic approaches you can do right now to boost your quality of life through nutrition and other health strategies. If that's the kind of stuff you're into, hit like, subscribe, spread the word. Let's begin. The weather's getting much cooler, and what makes us feel warm and fuzzy during this time of year? Yes, love can do that, but I was thinking more on the lines of a sweet, festive cocktail. But before I go on to this cocktail tip, I want to share some education on alcohol and how it creates challenges when it comes to reaching and maintaining your health goals. The issue is that alcohol alters the way we process food. It literally gets in the way of our body when it tries to metabolize the things we put in our mouths. All nutrients get metabolized in the liver, and there's a hierarchy in which the liver deals with each macronutrient. Alcohol takes priority on this list. The body considers it a toxin, so the liver chooses to break it down first to prevent things like tissue damage and cellular death. And only when alcohol levels are no longer a threat, it can deal with the other macronutrients we eat. Long story short, alcohol impairs our ability to metabolize carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Besides that, we all know that alcohol is calorically dense, so it's not the best thing to have when you're on a weight loss program. Alright, let's get right to this simple secret I use for my cocktails. It's simple syrup. And it's stupid simple to make. We'll be using allulose to make our simple syrup here. It's an alternative sugar, and it has virtually no calories and no impact on blood sugar or insulin levels. And the ingredients are simple, just water and allulose. It's 1 cup of water and 1.5 cups of allulose. So 1.5 to 1 ratio. Out of all the other sweeteners like monk fruit, erythritol, stevia, this seems to react best like sugar. So you simply bring water to the boil and add the allulose. Simple as that. You'll probably you'll need to mix it, that is, until it dissolves, and you'll bring it to a nice steady boil. And you want to do this for 5 minutes. And then once that's done, you'll want to remove it from the heat. And I'll say that's it. From there, you could let it cool and it's just ready to use. But here's where you want to really add flair to your simple syrup, because this is what makes the festive drinks so fun to have. And we do that with extracts. Some of the things that I'm doing right now are things like orange extract. If you have drinks with triple sec or Grand Marnier, that does a trick for that, like a margarita. Vanilla extract. The vanilla flavor is just very wintry, I think. Great for all Christmas recipes. And butter, for all you Harry Potter fans. Butter beer. And almond extract. That's great. I love amaretto. And mint. It's very wintry, of course, because it's cooling. I know you see ube there. Don't knock it till you tried it. And if it's not a Christmas party, Filipino Christmas party without it. But my current fave right now is maple, and I've been using it to make my old fashions. It just gives them a warm feeling, and it's, again, I like super easy recipes. And there it is right there. That's maple syrup. It's also great on pancakes, by the way. And chocolate bitters. I have a good bourbon whiskey right there. But I also like to use vanilla if I don't have maple. So once you do all that and cool it, all I'm doing right here is transferring it into somewhere to store. It should last a few weeks on the shelf. Let me make this perfectly clear. Alcohol is by no means considered a health food, but it can definitely be part of a healthy, balanced diet. So go ahead and try this secret when mixing your festive cocktails, and it'll ensure that your drinks stay sweet and tasty without going off the calorie chart. Just be responsible and practice moderation if you choose to enjoy something boozy. Till next time.